What's going on, guys? If you want to delete your Instagram account permanently and right now, then this is the only video you need to watch. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps directly from the Instagram app. Make sure you follow the video carefully and don't skip any steps, because one wrong tap can stop the deletion process. All right, let's get started. Pick up your smartphone and open your Instagram app. Go to your profile icon, tap on the menu, and then go to Account Center. And you'll find the Personal Details option under the Account Settings section. Tap on that. From here, go to Account Ownership and Control. Choose Deactivation or Deletion, then select your Instagram account. You'll now be taken to the Deactivating or Deleting your Instagram account section. By default, the Deactivate Account option is selected. Go ahead and change it to the Delete Account option, then tap Continue. Then tap Continue again. Instagram will now ask for a reason for leaving the platform. You must select one of the listed reasons to proceed. It doesn't matter which one you choose, just pick any reason and tap Continue, then tap Continue again. Next, Instagram will ask for your password to confirm the action you're about to take. Enter your password and tap Continue one last time. Now, all that's left is to tap the Delete Account button. Keep in mind, Instagram takes up to 30 days to fully delete your account. Until then, your account will no longer be visible online. After those 30 days, your account and all your data, including profile photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers, will be permanently erased from Meta's database. And that's exactly how you can delete your Instagram account forever. Thank you so much for watching. This is your host, Ali Khan. See you soon with another one.